Hello, you have reached National Roadside Assistance. My name is Emma. How can I help you today?
Hello, Emma. My name is David. I need some help, please. My car has broken down on the side of the highway.
I am sorry to hear that, David. Please stay calm. You have called the right place, and my job is to get you the help you need as quickly as possible. Are you in a safe location?
Yes, I think so. I managed to pull my car over to the shoulder of the road, but the cars are driving past very fast. It is a little bit scary.
I understand. We will get someone out to you right away. First, I just need to get a few details from you to start the process.
Of course. I am ready. What do you need to know? I am a little bit shaken up, but I will try my best to give you clear information.
That is perfectly fine. Let's start with your membership details. Do you have a National Roadside Assistance membership card with you?
Yes, I do. I keep it in my glove compartment for emergencies like this. I have it in my hand right now.
Excellent. Could you please read me the membership number from the front of the card? It should be a long number.
Yes, the number is 1-800-456-789.
Thank you, David. I am just entering that into our system now. One moment. Okay, I have your account open. I can see your name is David Miller. Is that correct?
Yes, David Miller, that's me.
Perfect. Now, could you please tell me the make, model, and color of your vehicle? This will help our driver to identify your car easily.
I am driving a silver sedan. It is a four-door car. The make is a Ford, and the model is a Fusion.
A silver Ford Fusion. Thank you. I have added that information to your file. Now, could you please describe the problem with the car in as much detail as possible? What happened?
I was driving along normally at about 60 miles per hour. Suddenly, I felt the car lose power. The engine started to make a sputtering sound, and then it just completely cut out.
So the engine stopped while you were driving. That must have been a very frightening experience. Were you able to steer the car to the side of the road safely?
Yes, thankfully, I was able to coast over to the shoulder. I have tried to start the engine again a few times, but nothing happens. When I turn the key, all I hear is a clicking sound.
A clicking sound when you turn the key. And are any warning lights showing on your dashboard?
Yes, there is one. It is a red light, and it is in the shape of a small battery.
Okay, so the engine will not start and the battery light is on. That gives me a good idea of what the issue might be. Now, for the most important question, David. I need you to tell me exactly where you are located.
This is the difficult part. I am not completely sure. I am on a big highway.
Can you see a highway number on any of the signs? Are you on Highway 5, for example?
Yes, I am on Highway 5. I can see a sign right here. I am traveling northbound, so I am heading north.
Excellent. Highway 5 northbound. Are there any landmarks, exits, or mile markers near you? Try to be as specific as possible. This is crucial for our driver to find you.
Let me look. I just passed the exit for a town called Oakwood. I think I am about 2 or 3 miles past that exit. I can also see a large green water tower on a hill to my right.
About 2 or 3 miles north of the Oakwood exit on Highway 5, with a green water tower visible. That is a perfect description. Thank you, David. Using that information, I can pinpoint your exact location with our GPS system.
That is a relief. I was worried I would not be able to explain my location well enough.
You did a great job. Now, while you are waiting for our technician to arrive, I need to give you some very important safety instructions.
Okay, I am listening carefully.
First, please make sure that your car's hazard lights are turned on. The hazard lights are the flashing orange lights that make your car more visible to other drivers.
Yes, my hazard lights are on. I turned them on as soon as I pulled over.
That is very good. Now, if it is safe to do so, it is highly recommended that you get out of your vehicle and wait on the grass behind the safety barrier. It is much safer to be outside the car than inside it.
So, it is safer to wait outside the car. Okay, I can do that. I will get out now and stand behind the metal barrier.
That is the safest place to be. It protects you from the passing traffic. Okay, David, I have your location and all the details of your situation. Based on your description of the problem, it sounds like you might have a dead battery or an issue with the alternator.
Is that something the technician can fix here on the side of the road?
It is possible. Our technicians can often jumpstart a dead battery. However, since the car lost power while you were driving, it might be a more complicated problem. Therefore, to be safe, I am going to dispatch a tow truck to your location. A tow truck is equipped to handle any situation. If the technician cannot fix the problem on site, he can safely tow your car to a repair shop.
A tow truck. That seems like a very sensible plan. It covers all the possibilities. So, you are sending a tow truck to my location. That is great. I have to ask, how long do you think I will have to wait for it to arrive?
I am checking our system right now to find the nearest available service vehicle to your location. Please give me just one moment.
Of course. I just hope it is not too long. It is a very hot day today.
I understand completely. We always try to get to our members as quickly as possible. Okay, I have found a driver. His name is Peter, and he is about 20 miles away from you right now.
20 miles? So, how long will that take with the current traffic conditions?
I am looking at the live traffic map. The highway seems to be clear, so I can give you an estimated time of arrival, or ETA, of approximately 45 to 60 minutes.
45 to 60 minutes. Okay, that is not too bad. I can wait that long.
I have dispatched the driver now, so he is on his way to you. He will do his best to get there as quickly and safely as he can.
Thank you. So, when the tow truck arrives, what happens next? What is the procedure?
The driver, Peter, will introduce himself. He will first attempt to diagnose the problem. If he can fix it on the spot, for example, by jump-starting your battery, he will do so.
And if he cannot fix it here on the side of the road,
If it is a more serious issue, he will then prepare your car to be towed. He will securely attach your vehicle to his truck. Then he will tow it to a location of your choice.
A location of my choice. So, I can tell him where to take my car?
That is correct. Do you have a regular mechanic or a preferred auto repair shop that you would like the car to be towed to?
I do have a regular mechanic that I trust. His shop is in my hometown, about 15 miles from here. Can the driver tow it there?
Yes, absolutely. That is no problem at all. I will add the name and address of your preferred mechanic to the service call notes. Now, let's discuss the cost.
Yes, I was about to ask about that. Is the cost of this service covered by my membership plan?
Let me just check the details of your membership level. You have our Premium Plus plan, which is our highest level of coverage.
Yes, I have had that plan for many years.
With the Premium Plus plan, you are covered for all roadside assistance callouts. You are also covered for towing for up to 100 miles per incident at no extra cost to you.
So, because my mechanic is only 15 miles away, the entire cost of the tow will be covered by my membership today?
That is 100% correct. You will not have to pay anything for the tow truck service today.
that is fantastic news. That is a huge weight off my mind. I am so glad I have this membership.
It is very valuable in situations like this. So, David, I think I have all the information I need from you. I just need to confirm your mobile phone number.
Of course. My number is 555-123-4567.
Thank you. In a few moments, you will receive an automated text message from us. It will confirm the details of your service call, and it will include a link where you can track the tow truck's progress on a live map.
A live tracking link. That is a brilliant feature. It will be nice to see exactly where he is.
It does help to make the wait feel a little shorter. So, to summarize, a tow truck is on its way to you on Highway 5. The driver's name is Peter, and he should be with you in about 45 to 60 minutes.
That is all very clear. Thank you so much for your help, Emma. You have been so calm, professional, and reassuring.
You are very welcome, David. Please wait in a safe place, and we will have you back on your way as soon as possible.